Hey guys, welcome to Rise and Slay, where we get a bunch of things done. And thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning and organizing my kitchen cabinets and drawers. Lately, they have gotten so out of hand and with not much order, so I really think it's time to clean them, straighten them, and just put some order and functionality back into them. To help me do that, I'm going to follow a kitchen cabinet and drawer storage guide that I found on Pinterest, which guides you where it's best to store certain items for better functionality and accessibility, and just where they just make more sense to be kept. So for example, it recommends to store spices in a cabinet near the oven and cups near the water disposal, so on and so forth. Before starting, I'm just going to make sure that the kitchen is clean, all the counter space is cleared and wiped down, because this process gets pretty chaotic as it is. Here are the befores of the cabinets and drawers, and as you can see, there is not much order. They've gotten pretty messy. The area above the fridge needs to be cleared out and dusted. The junk drawer is so full that it's hard to even open it. I'm starting with the junk drawer by removing everything from it, and then collecting all the like items into piles and going through each and every item and paper to decide what will stay, what's trash, or doesn't belong in the drawer. Once everything is sorted, I'm going to put everything back in thoughtfully and with order, dividing like items as much as possible. Next, I'm going through the things that have accumulated above the fridge and just completely clearing that space. It was so dusty up there. I really don't think I've ever wiped above here since we moved here almost a year ago, so it was really satisfying to finally wipe that area clean. Moving on to the cabinets, I'm taking everything out of the snack drawer, vacuuming it, and wiping it as needed. Then, again, I'm dividing like items and getting rid of the garbage, and once again, organizing them neatly back into the cabinet thoughtfully. And as you can see, for each cabinet drawer, I'm going through the same steps and process over and over again. I found these pantry organizer bins on Amazon, which were so perfect to organize my tiny, out of control pantry cabinet. It comes with 2 different sizes, 4 pieces for each size. They are clear acrylic, so you can also see everything easily and find things very easily when needed. This is the drawer that I am moving everything inside of it into a cabinet that is closer to the oven. The guide recommends baking products to be next to the oven. Plus, as you can see, every time I remove the flour, it just spills everywhere, and many times right onto the clean drying dishes that is right below the cabinet. So I don't think this is a good place for the baking products. Instead, I'll be replacing them with baby bottles because I already keep containers and jars here. So I think the bottles will fit much better and just go better with the theme. The drawer to the right is where I'll be keeping the baking stuff. So once again, I'm removing everything from it, cleaning the drawers. Dividing like items, getting rid of trash, and then lastly, thoughtfully organizing everything right back into the cabinets. By the way, the binder clippers are great for using to seal any opened kitchen products such as chips, baking products, and so much more. They are also super inexpensive to buy in bulk on Amazon. That's where I got mine from, so that's just a little trick that you can do.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there?
Another group of items that I'm changing the spot for are the spices. I'm moving them right above the stove to the left because they just make so much more sense to be there. For now, I am just placing them right into the cupboard without any spice rack, and then organizing them by size. I might get a spice rack in the future, but for now, I have enough space to just use 2 shelves and spread them all out so that I'm able to view them better. There was an extra acrylic bin left over from the pantry organizers, and I'm using it for medicine, bandages, and things like that. And of course, placing it all in a cabinet up high above from all the little ones to be able to reach.
It can tell my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
So of course, cleaning the cupboards and cabinets causes a huge kitchen mess and lots of garbage in return, but at least the cabinets are nice and clean and organized. So I'm just going to go ahead and tidy up all of this mess again, and I'm going to go ahead and end the video shortly after this because my daughter is in need of some mommy's love and attention. But I hope you found this video motivating, and I will see you guys in the next one.